All right, here are the 5 things that I hate about my 2017 Porsche Macan GTS. Welcome back to my channel. This is KPT Garage, where I'm learning about cars and I'm bringing you with me. I'm going to be talking about everything from builds, track days, to everyday driving, bringing you along for the journey as I learn to be a better driver and also learn more about cars. Speaking of which, let's get into the video for the top 5 things I hate about the 2017 Porsche Macan GTS. Okay, the first thing that I hate, it's gonna be the storage space. She looks good, but I will say trying to fit luggage and all the extras in this for like a whole day trip can be challenging because it is an SUV, but it's small. With that small SUV is a lack of legroom in the back seat. I'm 5'7", so if you're taller than me, you're basically screwed. Or you just have to sit in the front seat. The second thing I hate about the Porsche Macan GTS is gonna be the throttle lag when it's not in sport mode. I mean, I cannot even tell you, if you're sitting at a stoplight and you try to accelerate and pass somebody, it is almost dangerously slow to where I don't know that I would drive this car ever when it's not in sport mode because it's such a noticeable lag. So it's one of those things that I would say that's definitely in top 2 for things that I do not like about the Macan. The third thing I hate is the shifter. So for this one, for some reason, Porsche got it right in all their other cars, like their GT3 RS, but in this one, it's reversed. So whenever I go to upshift, I should be able to just pull it down, but for some reason, it has it where you push it up instead. So I don't know why they messed it up on this car and got it right on the others, but they should just keep it consistent for all vehicles. So that could definitely be changed. The fourth thing is the sound system. I thought I was gonna be so impressed when I got on here and listened to the sound, and I was really underwhelmed. And maybe that's just because, you know, I'm from Memphis and I'm all about good music and I like to listen to it loud. But I think the sound system is one of the first things that I might upgrade in this car because it's just not where it should be in my opinion. The fifth and final thing is the infotainment. I mean, I feel like Porsche has always struggled with what they come out with is a little bit behind, and I gotta say it's the same for this car. The screen is just not at the quality I feel like it could be. It's a little bit smaller as well, and I also have to plug in my phone for CarPlay, which I do love that it has CarPlay, but I feel like it's just a little behind for where it could be to really, you know, match the level of like the car's ability. The infotainment could use some work. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you comment and subscribe. Let me know if you think I should add something else to the list or if I'm missing anything and what kind of videos you want to see next. I'll see you on the road.